Okay, I'm restarting the recording for today because my mic reset its volume, and I think I know why now. I plugged back in the webcam and it reset, so that's something that's got to do with it. But anyway, um, yeah. So right now, uh, I am working on. So I figured out that like if I, why's it going? Interesting. Anyway, if I do this, blah 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 blah, and then add projects, and then I would add this, and it would like overflow a bunch. Um, so yeah, I'm adding a checker to make sure it doesn't overflow. Um, so this actually let me print to make sure we're doing this right, because I want to print test. Or no, it's a long LD value, right? So it's 35,000. Oh wait, you know what? Instead of doing a calculator, can't I just do Python or Python 3 and then 30 35 133 modulo. Okay, so that is correct. And then we do that, we get 3, and then we got 3 overloads. Awesome. So that is correct. Oh, actually I could have just taken this, but whatever. Okay, thank you, Python. Why is it a function? Okay, so that is correct. So now I need to do the same thing for the deletions. Oops. So it's pretty much just this ternary, I think, is what I did. I don't think I did anything else. Yeah. So where we create the overload string, which is here, we need to, oh wait, sorry. Here, we need to do that. I like how that lined that up, actually. That's really cool. Okay. So that should be good now too. But I don't think I had an overload on that to begin with. Yeah. But now it's checked properly. Oh. Well, that changed pretty rapidly. So that's weird. Interesting. Anyway, that's spacing wrong. And I need to figure out why. And the spacing is part of the deletions. So when we do spaces, L to A, data added plus 2. But that's not necessarily what's shown here. We want L to A of value plus 2. Oh, wait, maybe plus 3. No, it's right here, but why is the... It's right there. Why is it not right here? 6K. Let me make sure this is the right thing. Let's test it with exactly that. So let's delta a of value. What is so different about this? That's not right. That's what the problem is. Oh, wait a minute. I don't want this value, I want the other value. I see why. So what we need to do is take from up here. Oh, but if it's not enabled, then it's not going to do that calculation. But I want it to stay in the same spot, which means that we need to do the calculation again. I want value. Insertion, deletion. Insertion value is I mean, we could just say set overload value. And then this now, do we use value a bunch? I don't think so. Is that? Get bool spaces, output buffer. Why do we do deleted there? I think that should be value. Hold up, let me finish this first. So we have that value equals deleted. Value equals that. But I want insertion size should be delta A of insertion value, and that should give us the right thing. But now that I caught this, this should be taking from, oops, CI parentheses, this should be taken from value, not from the thing itself. Wait, that was the right thing here, yeah. All right, cool. Awesome, same thing. Yeah, spacing stays the same now. Awesome. All right, that's not going out the bounds, right? Yeah, looked like it for a second. And then symbol is not leaving now. Same with both. Okay, cool. Glad I'm testing these things. It's like there's no shot I'm done already. Okay. So let's go ahead and do another commit. Ooh. All right, awesome. So status, yeah, and then this is it's pretty much a debug. Inconsistent spacing. Right. So now let's get those insertions working. So why wouldn't they be working? Test mode, this is irrelevant because that would always be on. Track path equals null. Wait, what? Why did I do it like that? Oh, I see. Stay a set string. So that's deletion is enabled, that's fine. So those checks seem to be fine. Wait a minute. Maybe I changed it? No, I did not. Alright. So when it's true, we have it. Else, we don't. Why does that work? Was it not on a fast enough update timer and I just missed it? No, it's on 1 second. What? Okay, I'm bugging. Never mind. Okay, cool. Let me see if I can find any other errors. If not, I think we're cool in this. Try to go build it. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to turn this off. Let's try going back to default. That's good. And let's add a directory and verify that it's correct. I think I changed dots. Yes. 54, -6. Get diff short stats. 54.6. Awesome. Let's try another one. Infamous, I think it's 1. Yep. Very cool. And then we should be able to change this to whatever we want with a max of the max of integer. And then account for untracked, cool. Max. Should be able to change the font to whatever I want. Okay, well, that didn't work. Okay, if I pick a normal one, pure code, where was it? There we go. No anti-aliasing, good. Outline, drop shadow, insertion off, color different, bam, bam. Okay, symbol, insertion. Let's do the same thing but reverse. Cool. No symbol, no deletion. Awesome. Okay. Everything seems to be working fine. I didn't change anything, right? Cool. So let's do a little bit of formatting because I don't want to quite build it because I don't feel like getting my other computer from downstairs. So this might take a little while, but anything that's camel case, let's go ahead and switch it to snake case, except variables. Well, I meant like functions and whatnot. Actually, do I really need to change it? Let's just do the properties, all camel. Where? There we are, we're cooling. Yeah, I don't think it really matters too much. I'm not changing every variable. What I do want to do is make sure that everything's getting used. If something's not getting used, it doesn't need to be in here. Create, destroy, obviously, with updates. Browser directory. Delay amounts, yes. Render. Oh yeah, let me put small comments for each one of the functions because they're not very clear in the actually these go hand in hand. Let's do simple logs too. Source initialized. Source destroyed. Defaults. Settings that are loaded. Properties. This is more like, actually, what did I name it? I guess I did name it refill settings. Shared settings. Deletion options. Cool. Group settings. Okay. Nothing too complicated here. Okay. Awesome. So the big one is going to be the interface. So I feel like there are some things that don't get used here. Or maybe. This gets used. This gets used. I'm pretty sure this gets used. It does not. Let me double check. That's it. Awesome. What about you? You do get used. This definitely gets used. I don't even need to question it. That too. Create unshared files also gets used. Format and path. Character. I think this gets used too. Expand home directory. I'm pretty sure this gets used outside of just this. Yeah. Okay. Don't need this either. 3 up, 4 up. I think I added this recently. This gets used somewhere else, I think. It's been 45 minutes already? Oh, not on this recording. I forgot. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's see really quick to see if we can, if it fixes itself. Not itself, but in terms of the compilation settings that I needed. I'll be so happy if this just works without me doing anything. That took longer to compile. No way. No. Okay, that's what I thought. Alright, so this is going back on for now. Do I need this? I do not need it. Okay. So we don't need that. No way. I had that on? Oh, never mind. I had it on. I'm silly. Alright, let's try it again just in case it was that. I doubt it, but why do I have this open? Damn, off rip. It should be the same thing too, right? Oh, it's not. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. Yeah. Okay. We'll figure that out later. Let me not change too much. Let me go ahead and see what I've done so far. Actually, no, I can't do all of it. I don't. What am I talking about? All right, let's do memory checking. That's the obvious one. Okay. If error no, then we can print. Yeah. And then I think we can recover for this, just continue. Is that it? I don't know how far it is in the thing. Never mind, it's not done. Right. And then that'll continue. And not add that to the path, but the problem is we need to set the current parts. Right. I guess we still need to probably do this too. Because it would still need to go past. Okay. Yeah, now the big one is going to be the interface. So for this, check insertions. If we can't do this, then we just return false. Right? This doesn't need to be here. Okay. This will be the same thing. Here we are. Okay. This is the same thing. I kind of want to start. I'm not gonna put attorney there, cause I don't want to break it. I'll do it later, but that'll be fun, cause that will make it shorter. Okay. And this will just return 0. No. Okay. Yeah, I did a lot more error checking here than I thought I did. But I think a lot of that was just because I was trying to debug the what is it called? The optimizer. This doesn't need to be there. This is redundant. This also doesn't need to be here because it failed to open in the first place. Oh, why you check it? But error no also needs to be set to 0 here. Okay. That's fine. Or no. I think that also sets error no. Does not. If the underlying fork or pipe fails, error no is set to indicate the error. Oh, okay. So it is set. Oh, I already checked it. This is kind of far. Oh no, it wasn't far down. Forgot to set error node equals 0 here. Yes, opener does. Can't close it if you didn't open it in the first place. There we go. There we go, there we go. 7. Oops. Cool. It was set it to null, so it doesn't even matter. For this at least. Okay. If I can spell. Cool. I can leave the rest as they are for now, I think. Very cool. I'll leave that for now. Let's try it. The compiler config. This doesn't work. I want to go eat breakfast. I'm hungry. You're hurt. See if it's the same thing. I'm gonna try it real quick. See if I can figure out what it is. 48. 323. I lied. We tried to close it. Oh, right. This is the problem where FP was getting optimized out. I need to figure out why. Because if I set it to null, I think it's going to get optimized out anyway. Yeah. There it is. So if I try to print data, it's null. I'm assuming I didn't get anything. Can I print the command? Yeah. Can I do that? No. Yeah, it really shouldn't be like that because we know FP is not null. We got something from that. What does F gets return? That returns if but if it's pointing to something already, it wouldn't. Yeah, I really think it's changing, optimizing out FP. But at the same time, this is update tracked files. What are the tracked files? Because they're not null. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. I just want to run OBS. Oh, right, because the data's already in there. Ah, I forgot about that. Okay, so stuff actually does exist. So 17 folders in there. Let's see if it's the first one that it fails on. Or if there's actually something wrong with the folder in there. OBS. Did it start loading back here? Not getting there at all. Because if we don't get in here, then we skip P close, so that's not possible. Okay. What if I try the printing thing and see if it's a memory, or if I can trick it into keeping it around, because then that'll verify that it is an optimization thing. It is not. Actually, let's just break at 307. I need to run it first. Okay, cool. And then we break at get diff interface. .c at what? 307. Run. Yes. I want to print FP. Of course. So I was right. Is it still optimized out? No, it is not. It doesn't even matter because everything's null. But part of that is because I haven't done anything yet with it. So now if I step this, okay. Okay, wait, we're just gonna restart this. Run, yes. Next, next, next. And then I want to print FP. Okay, so we got it. We can go next, 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 whatever. And then we get out of here. FP is now bugging out. Oh, I think I know why. I think I know. If we just hold it, then it won't go out of scope. I think it's out of scope. It says it's optimized out, but I don't think a scope is a optimization. Where was it? 307? So F gets returns what? It returns a pointer to the string, right? So car output or file output equals, I'm not gonna do all that, v in parentheses, yes. Bro, this is bullshit. V in this, yes. And then if file output. Oops, quit. Alright, please work. Or at least change the error. Man, but why? What is 323? break at get, not line stats, interface. What? Where did it go? So break at get interface. Why won't it let me run it once? Get the simple table. Now I want to break at get diff interface. Oh, whoops. 323. Now run it. Oops. Can't access it for some reason. I wonder if I can do history. No, I cannot. Break at get diff interface.c 323. Okay, we're gonna have to figure that out. Now I really don't know why. Because it should keep it around. Okay, last attempt. What if instead of this, instead of this, I create a copy, pointer, temp. I don't think it'll work, but now I want to close temp. Yeah. I didn't spell that right. Yeah. I don't know why it's getting out to myself. Who knows? Oops. Alright. I'll figure that out later. But on the list, I do want to figure this out because I am assuming it's going to run faster with optimizations. But yeah, that was a good stretch today.